Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a matching set advertising Quaker castings. Quaker castings for quality. A Zippo rule. And a Zippo Slim. The lighter was made in 1967. Just from a quick look on Google, Quaker Castings is an Ohio casting company that forges or casts different kinds of metals and has been around apparently since about the same time that Zippo has, about sometime in the early 1930s. Both of these items are used. I don't know if there is a way to date the Zippo rules or not. The engravings seem to be identical. That one does have some kind of a blemish. Not sure if that's something on top of the paint or if the paint has come off. It looks to be something on top of the paint. Anyway, very nice condition. Chrome. Both the brush finish and the high polish. Shows scuffs, scrapes, dings. Definitely has been used, as I had to clean some grease or something off of it when I got it, but not in too bad a condition. Zippo Manufacturing Company, Bradford, PA. And the Zippo Slim, which I just pulled the wick up on and snipped it off. If I was going to use this on a regular basis, it might need to be re-wicked. I'm not sure. It didn't look like a real sturdy wick. And I also turned the felt pad around just because the outside was dirty, but the inside of the lighter was fairly clean, actually very clean. looking. The lighter is 1967. I would have to look to see if that is matching insert. I think it probably is, but I did not look that up. If our friend Mario is watching, he'll let us know. So anyway, it definitely has wear to the insert as it's come in and out of the case, and it certainly looks like somebody has had a tendency to have that flame bending over this side of the chimney. That side still looks almost brand new. This side is cut up, scraped across by the lid. I think that's what those directional marks are there, and from scorching of the flame. The flint tube was obstructed when I received it, but I just stuck the bit down in there and it fell through the degraded flint. It was just dust. So then I was basically able just to blow it out and then hit the file wheel with soft brass brush. So this would be what they call the etch and paint process. And you can see that this lighter is in very good condition. It's got scuffs, scrapes, normal expected wear, a couple of dings on the back, like maybe it's been carried, maybe because it was carried with the Zippo rule. I doubt it. It's not that, it's just kind of subtle wave, kind of. I don't even know if you can see it in the video. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms, Dependable Flame or DependableFlame.com, on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. You can also leave any comments or questions below the video. There were 3 different date stamps in 1967, and I believe this was the later of the 3. The first one was still the flat bottom, and then the second one, both sets of marks are down below. at the lower level down here where this is, rather than the left being up as it is. So I would assume then after 1967 they were all up on the left and down on the right, but I would have to look at the chart to confirm that. Until next time.